Hey, truck owners! If you drive a 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 with a power release tailgate, listen up, because your tailgate might be popping open when you least expect it. Now, this isn't a recall. Don't panic. But Ford's launched something called Customer Satisfaction Program 21M06S1. It's for trucks where moisture sneaks into the tailgate harness and causes the switch to short circuit. What does that mean? Your tailgate could open all by itself, even while driving. Yeah, not great if you're hauling gear. Here's the fix. Ford dealers will split and reroute the wiring harness, install a beefier switch, and update your truck's computer so you have to double tap the button and be in park. And if your truck's under 10 years old or has less than 150,000 miles, it's free. Coverage runs through early 2023, so don't wait. But heads up, after the fix, the tailgate won't open if your engine's running and you need that double tap. Some folks miss the old convenience, but most agree it's a smart safety move. So if your F-150's been acting up, grab your VIN and tell your dealer, I need CSP21M06S1 already paid for a fix. Bring your receipts. Ford might reimburse you. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more truck tips and fixes. Stay safe and keep hauling. Before we wrap up, here's what people are saying online about the Ford F-150 tailgate fix. On truck forums and social media, some owners really appreciate the added safety and peace of mind, especially those who haul valuable gear. Others say they miss the old convenience of opening the tailgate with a single tap, and a few wish Ford had offered more options. Notable comments include, "Glad Ford finally did something about this," and "I missed the one touch, but safety comes first." Overall, the general sentiment is positive, with most folks agreeing the fix is a smart move, even if it takes a little getting used to.